The AH-64 Apache is one of the most lethal machines the US military commands. A millimeter-wave fire control radar, radar frequency interferometer, fire-and-forget radar-guided Hellfire missiles, and cockpit management and digitization upgrades all combine it to make it the ultimate badass. Hello and welcome to another video from War Secrets, in which we will take a look at another one of the world's most formidable fighting machines. So without further ado, let's begin. The AH-64 Apache has a 4-blade main rotor and a 4-blade tail rotor design. The pilot sits behind and above the co-pilot or gunner, with the crew seating in tandem. Both crew members are capable of flying the plane and engaging in weapon engagements on their own. Between the cockpit and the crew compartment is shielding, which allows at least one crew member to survive a hit. The rotor blades and compartment are designed to withstand a strike from 23mm bullets to protect against ballistic bullets. The airframe incorporates 2,500 pounds of armor and a self-sealing fuel system. The plane was built to fulfill MIL STD 1290, which establishes the minimum specifications for crash impact energy attenuation to reduce crew injuries and fatalities. Increased structural strength, crash-worthy landing gear, seating, and a fuel system were all used to achieve this. The Apache's helmet-mounted display, the integrated helmet, and display sighting system were one of the helicopter's most distinctive features at the time of its introduction. Among other things, the pilot or gunner can slave the helicopter's 30mm automatic M230 chain gun to his helmet, causing the gun to track head movements and point at where he looks. The M230E1 can be locked in a forward-firing position or controlled using the target acquisition and designation system at a range of 800 to 1,200 meters. The AH-64's standard of performance for aerial gunnery is against at least one hit for every 30 bullets fired at a wheeled vehicle. The AH-64's avionics and onboard sensor suites are designed to withstand frontline circumstances and function during the day, night, and in bad weather. These include target acquisition and designation system, pilot night vision system, TADS, PNVS, passive infrared countermeasures, GPS, and the IHA-DSS. A 30mm automatic Boeing M230 chain cannon with a rate of fire of 625 rounds per minute is located under the fuselage, and the helicopter can carry up to 1,200 rounds of ammo. The AH-64D is equipped with the Lockheed Martin Boeing AGM-114D Longbow Hellfire air-to-surface missile, which features a millimeter-wave seeker and has fire-and-forget capabilities. It has a range of 8 to 12 kilometers. Air-to-air missiles such as Stinger AIM-9 Sidewinder, Mistral and Sidearm, and the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System or APKWS family of guided and unguided 70mm rockets can be fitted to the Apache attack helicopter. The CRV-7 70mm rocket system from Bristol Aerospace of Winnipeg, Manitoba is fitted to British Army AH-Mk1 helicopters. The Longbow Apache is equipped with custom weaponry. The helicopter carries 16 Hellfire missiles on 4 4-rail launchers and 4 air-to-air missiles in its close support mission. The Northrop Grumman millimeter-wave longbow radar is installed aboard the AH-64D Longbow Apache. For passive localization and identification of radar-emitting threats, the Longbow Fire Control Radar has an integrated radar frequency interferometer. The millimeter wave has the advantage of being less sensitive to ground clutter and performing well in low visibility conditions because of the short wavelength. The beam width can be quite narrow, making it resistant to countermeasures. In 30 seconds, the Longbow Apache can launch an attack for a single radar scan. The radar dome is unmasked and then remasked. A maximum of 256 targets are tracked by processors, which determine their location, speed, and direction of travel. Lockheed Martin produced the TADS AN/ASQ-170 Target Acquisition Designation Sight and the PNVS AN/AAQ-11 Pilot Night Vision Sensor. The turret-mounted TADS has direct-view optics, TV, and 3 fields of view forward-looking infrared or FLIR for search, detection, and recognition, as well as a lit-in laser rangefinder designator. The PNVS comprises a FLIR mounted in a rotating turret above the TADS on the nose. The PNVS picture is presented in the monocular eyepiece of the Honeywell integrated helmet and display sighting system, which is worn by the pilot and co-pilot/gunner. Using second-generation long-wave infrared sensors with better range and resolution, Lockheed Martin developed a new targeting and night vision system for the AH-64 Apache. Arrowhead is a novel system that includes a 3-field of view targeting FLIR, a dual field of view pilotage, FLIR, a CCD TV camera, electronic zoom, target tracker, and auto bore sight. The electronic warfare suite on the Apache attack helicopter includes the AN/APR-39A-V radar warning receiver from Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin, the Lockheed Martin AN/APR-48A radar frequency interferometer electronic support target acquisition system, the AN/ALQ-144 infrared countermeasures set from BAE Systems, IWS, and the AN/AVR-2 laser warning receiver. Kuwait and Greece have also chosen BAE Systems Helicopters Integrated Defense Aids Suite or HIDAS for their AH-Mk1 Apaches. In July 2003, the AH-Mk1 received HIDAS, which contains the Sky Guardian 2000 radar warning device. The Elisra Seraph self-protection system, which includes the SPS-65 missile warner and SPJ-40 radar jammer, is installed on Israeli AH-64D helicopters. The Northrop Grumman Directed Infrared Countermeasures DIRCM pod is installed on Dutch AH-64D helicopters. The AH-64E is built with an open systems architecture to meet long-term aspirations to place the platform as a critical component of the MDO battlefield. The attack helicopter is equipped with the most advanced navigation, communications, sensor, and armament systems available. Its upgraded target acquisition designation system delivers all-weather target information at all times of the day and night. Night vision navigation is also possible with the onboard equipment. The AH-64E's improved fire control radar also enables maritime targeting mode. The V6 is a fully integrated network-centric weapon system built for the MDO battlefield. It will provide you with the capacity to gain an advantage in fiercely contested and intricate battles. To assure present and future cooperative mission success, the helicopter will combine onboard and offboard sensors, communications, and standoff long-range weapons. The V6 includes Link 16 communications, which allows it to switch network connections on demand and integrate multiple networks to create a real-time operational picture. It also allows crew members to command the flight path of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, via real-time video streaming in the cockpit. The program also allows data to be transmitted to ground-based systems. The aircraft's enhanced navigation and avionics package, together with the FCR and RFI, provide increased situational awareness, lethality, and survivability. The Apache attack helicopter has 2 turboshaft engines, each with a power output of 1,265 kilowatts. The AH-64D is powered by General Electric T700 GE701 engines, while the UK Apache is powered by Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM322 engines. The Boeing AH-64 Apache has a climb rate of 889 meters per minute. The helicopter's maximum and cruise speeds are 279 km per hour and 260 km per hour respectively. The helicopter's ferry range and service ceilings are 1,900 km and 6,400 meters respectively. 3 hours and 9 minutes is the time limit. The helicopter weighs around 5,165 kilograms, with a maximum takeoff weight of 10,433 kilograms. In February 2003, the US Army received the first of the improved Block II Apaches. To increase communications within the tactical internet, Block II includes upgrades to the digital communications systems of 96A model Apaches. The first extended Block II was delivered to the US Army in October 2007. The US Army granted Boeing a development contract for Block III enhancements in July 2005, and the aircraft entered service in 2011. The first flight test of the AH-64D Apache with Block III structures was accomplished in December 2009. Increased digitization with unified tactical radio system, improved engines and drive systems, the ability to manage UAVs, and a new composite rotor blade are all part of Block III. The additional blades increase the Apache's cruising speed, climb rate, and payload capability after completing flight tests in May 2004. Under $1.5 billion contract, the US Army returned 117 AH-64D models in April 2016 to be rebuilt as Apache AH-64Es. In July 2016, the UK and the US struck an intergovernmental agreement for the purchase of 50 AH-64E helicopters. In November 2020, the first 2 were given to the British Army. By 2024, the UK is anticipated to receive all of the helicopters. Improvements and next-generation technology such as modular open systems architecture are expected to keep the Apache helicopter operational well into the 2060s. The helicopter was first used by the US Army in 1984, and it has since been exported to Egypt, Greece, Israel, India, Singapore, the Netherlands, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, and the United Kingdom. The US Army and other armed forces have received about 2,200 AH-64 Apache assault helicopters from Boeing. The US Army and international forces presently have over 1,200 Apache aircraft in service. More than 4 million flight hours were logged by the helicopter, with 1.3 million of those hours spent in battle. 1989, it was first employed in battle during a US military operation in Panama. The aircraft has supported low-intensity and peacekeeping missions around the world, particularly in Turkey, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Kosovo. The first Apache AH-64D longbow was delivered to the US Army in April 1997. The US Army used it in Afghanistan as part of Operation Anaconda, which supported Operation Iraqi Freedom, and in South Korea beginning in June 2003. In May 1998 and May 2012, the Royal Netherlands Air Force got its first AH-64D Apache and first Boeing AH-64D Apache Block III aircraft, respectively. For South Korea, several AH-64A helicopters were upgraded to the AH-64D standard. In addition, the business upgraded 30 UAE Apache helicopters to the AH-64D Longbow standard. The upgraded aircraft began to be delivered in May 2008. Saudi Arabia ordered the modification of 12 Apache helicopters to the AH-64D standard in June 2006, as well as the sale of 12 additional AH-64D helicopters in September 2008. Taiwan proposed the delivery of 30 AH-64D Block III Apache helicopters in October 2008. The Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force chose the AH-64D in August 2001 to meet a 55 helicopter requirement. The AH-64D-JP Apache is armed with Stinger air-to-air missiles and is earmarked for Japan. In September 2002, Kuwait ordered 16 AH-64D helicopters. In February 2007, the first was delivered. BAE Systems' HIDAS Defensive Assistance System is installed on Kuwaiti Apaches. Greece secured a contract in September 2003 for 12 AH-64D longbows, plus 4 options, all of which will be equipped with HIDAS. In January 2007, the first was delivered. Taiwan ordered 30 AH-64D Apache Block III helicopters for $2.5 billion in June 2011. In November 2013, it received the first 6 Block III helicopters. The final batch of orders was delivered in 2014. In 2018, Taiwan's Apache AH-64E was fully operational. That's all for today. We hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe to War Secrets and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates for our future videos. We will see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.